Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can save YouTube video comments in Airtable database. Now, why would you need this automation? Suppose you are running a YouTube channel, okay? And you are running that YouTube channel with multiple content creators in it. Now, you do not want to share your ID and password of your YouTube channel to everyone so that they can view the comments on their channel all together at one place. If somebody wants to view comments on specific videos, they have to go to that video and then they have to search for the comments, and that would be very much tiresome. So what you can do is you can have your YouTube comments saved in your Airtable database, and then you can share that Airtable database with your team so that they can see what kind of comments are coming on their particular videos, and also your admin ID and password will be safe and this work will go as smooth as possible. So what we are going to do now, first we are going to receive a new comment from YouTube, and then that new comment, or I should say those new comments, will be shared to our Airtable database. Now, to do that, you have to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect. And Pabbly Connect will help us connect our YouTube and Airtable together. So, to learn that, you have to come with me to the screen. And this is our screen. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go to the address bar and type in pabbly pabbly.com/connect. And as soon as we do that, you can see we are redirected to this beautiful page. Now you have two options right here. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks from our side so that you can practice the workflows which we are teaching you. So I already have an account here, so I will just go for sign in and I will log in. Now what we are going to do, first we will go here on Pabbly Connect and then click on access now. So you will see a new dashboard is here where I have thousands of integrations done. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to create a new workflow. Now I am teaching you today that how you can add comments to a specific video, and then you can check it again and again. So what we are going to do, first let me name it YouTube comments tracker. Okay, YouTube comments tracker. So whenever a new comment comes on any video, the title of that video will be shared with you, and the comments of that videos will be shared to you on your Airtable database. So YouTube comments tracker on Airtable. This is the title I am giving it right now. You can give any title you want to. Now you can see here we have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. So trigger is basically an event which happens at the start of the process, which gives command to the process to move further. So trigger is when this happens, and action is do this, which means whenever we will upload new video, upload new video, whenever we have new comments on our videos, then the action will be, the database will be uploaded to the Airtable. So here what we are going to do, we are going to go to YouTube, and then we are going to select new comment on a channel. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on connect, and now I will show you how you can connect your YouTube to Pabbly Connect. Let's go to add new connection and connect with YouTube. So I already have my account here. I will just go on and select this one, the social fever, and continue. And let me tell you one more time that the data, or I should say the data which you have in your applications is absolutely safe, and Pabbly Connect does not have to do anything with that. So, the privacy is maintained. Now you can see this is the channel demo integration. So I already have this channel right here, demo integration, and I already, have this database here. in my Airtable so that I can show you how it's done. Let me delete these rows. Now, this is my channel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a new video just to tell you how it's done. Create, upload video, select files, and I have this. Okay, this jungle morning. Okay, this is good. This looks good. So this is the video. Jungle morning is the title, and the description is what a beautiful morning in jungle. Okay. Now let me click on next. Next. And let me make it public. Okay. Publish. Now what will happen? First, the video will get uploaded and you will get the title and let me open this. The title is this, and what a beautiful morning in jungle is the description. Now let me go back to channel. And here you can see this is our video, jungle morning. And now this video do not have any comments right here, right now. Okay. Now what I will do, as you can see, I have already connected my channel and it is asking me for the video. So I'll just go here and give it a comment. Hey, nice video. Nice video. Okay. Now let me comment this and let me save and send test request. Okay, I'm really sorry. I forgot to put in this number here. Max results, which you can see here. The max results parameter specifies the maximum number of items that should be returned in the result set. So we need to set the parameter and it should be 20 as the default value, and I did that. Now I will go and click on save and send test request. And as soon as I do that, you can see this is the YouTube comment thread, e tag ID. This is channel ID. This is video ID. This is the comment we have right here. Hey, nice video. And we have this name of the channel, demo integrations, and we have the date here. Okay. Now what we are going to do, what information do we want here will be created in our Airtable database. So this is the name of my channel, demo integrations. This is the name of my table, YouTube channel comments. And now I have two columns here. First one is video name and second one is comments. I do not want anything else apart from that. So what I'm going to do is first I will look for video name and comments. So this is the comment, hey, nice video. Okay. But can you see the video name here? You cannot. You can only see the snippet video ID, which is this. So what we are going to do, we are going to retrieve video name from its ID. Now, how are we going to do that? Again, we are going to select YouTube right here. Okay. Action event. Now, what are you going to do? You are going to list video by ID. So, list video by ID, connect, save, because I have already connected my YouTube channel, video ID. Now go here and you can see this is the ID here, snippet video ID. So just click this and save and send test request. And as soon as you do that, you can see here is our snippet title. I mean the video title of YouTube, Jungle Morning. See, let me show you. This is the video title, Jungle Morning, and this is the comment we have done right now. Now what I will do, I will again go here. Now we have successfully connected our YouTube to our Pabbly Connect. So our first step is complete. Now we will go for the second step, which is to create data in the Airtable database. So just select Airtable, go on here and create record. Now connect this. Let me delete this one so that I can show you how to connect it again. Go for add new connection. It is asking you for the token. So you have to go here, click on account. After clicking on profile, you have to click on account, and there you will find the API key. And the API key which you are going to find there will be your token. It is taking some time right here. Let me scroll down and you can see this is the API key. Just click here, right click, copy, go back to your Pabbly Connect, Control+V and save. So you can see demo integrations is my channel name. YouTube, sorry, not the channel name. The channel name. So what we are going to do, first, we are going to take the base ID, which is demo integrations. Here, this is demo integrations, my base ID. I have two IDs here, demo integration and new uploaded videos. So you can see demo integrations and new uploaded videos is right here. I want my information in demo integrations. So I will select demo integrations. Let me go back to demo integrations. Now you can see YouTube channel comments is my table name. And you can see here YouTube channel comments. Now video name. So video name will be the name which we extracted from the title of the YouTube title ID, which will be Jungle Morning. So you can see this is Jungle Morning. So this is the name of the video. And now comments. Comments is from this one. And okay, so this is the comment, hey, nice video. Now let me tell you one more thing which I forgot to tell you. What I did here is I did the technique which is known as mapping. Now mapping is something which will let you take data from this window and then will help you post it here, or I should say, select and put it in the fields right here. You do not have to put anything manually, or you do not have to copy and paste anything. So this is known as mapping, what I did right here. Okay. Now I will go for save and send test request. And as you can see, it has been given right here. The information, video name is Jungle Morning. Comments is hey, nice video, and created time is 2022-1/27. So if you want another block right here and another column with time, you can add that too. It is up to you. I do not need time, so I'm not adding it. Okay. And you can see this is the video name Jungle Morning and comments, hey, nice video. Now let me try it one more time if my integration is working or not. Wow. What a beautiful jungle video. Okay. Wow, what a beautiful jungle video. Now I am going to click on comment. And now I am going back to my demo integrations Airtable and I am going to refresh it. But before refreshing, let me tell you one thing. YouTube, or I should say Pabbly Connect, uses the trigger polling to extract data from YouTube and then send it to other applications. So the polling technique or the polling trigger which has been used here will give you data in some time. It is not necessary that your video will come, your data will come in 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 5 minutes. It can take 10 minutes also, it can take 15 minutes also. So here, after refreshing, if the data will not come here, we will wait for few minutes. Okay. Now let me refresh. And it is refreshing. So let's see. And if you are lucky, your data will come within seconds. Let's see if I'm lucky or not. And you can see I'm not at all lucky. So we are going to wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then I'm going to refresh it again. And then we will see if the data is coming here or not. And you can see right here, I have the data. The video name is Jungle Morning and the comment is, wow, what a beautiful jungle video, which I just posted it right here in the YouTube video. So friends, this is how you can integrate your YouTube and your Airtable together so that whenever a new video is added and new comments will come on it, the video title and the comments will be shown into your Airtable database. Okay. So I hope you understood this beautiful workflow, and if you want to use this beautiful workflow, you can just go into my description and clone it. But for that, you have to make an account on Pabbly and you can clone it in your account. So for that, you need an account, and to do that, you have to sign up. I already told you signing up is absolutely free and we are giving you 100 free tasks. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. If you want any other event to be added in our module, you can just mail at admin@pabbly.com. Apart from that, if you have any queries, you can just go on to this forum and ask about your queries. And if you want to check the pricing of the software, you can go on here and check the pricing of the software. I hope you understood everything and you loved every bit of our video. So keep loving, keep subscribing. Thank you.